Welcome to Prepared Leaders, where we'll teach you the secret formula you have been missing when it comes to self improvement and some leadership tips that will help you climb the ladder of success. Through this inspirational video, we will be able to comprehend the lion's mentality. In the event that the lion rules the forest, how is it possible for him to rule the jungle? Unless he's the biggest. Undoubtedly, one of the biggest is the elephant. Because the cheetah is the fastest animal, he cannot be. The wisest person can't be him. He isn't the biggest, quickest, or smartest thereby. How does a lion live? Aspire to rule the jungle? He's thinking. The only distinction between a lion and an elephant is that a lion approaches an elephant and assumes it's a meal when he sees it. Elephants consider running. And everything is mental. As soon as a male lion approaches, a group of hyenas may outnumber him. But due to my mindset, I am the king of my jungle. What transpires if a gazelle is not being propelled? Nobody is nudging you or rewarding you. No one is motivating you. What happens if the lion stops pursuing you when you're a gazelle? You come to a standstill. What transpires though if you're a lion? There's no difference when you're a lion. You understand that in order for your family to eat, you must go hunting if that pride of lions is to live. Not only does devouring a gazelle constitute being a beast includes the ability to hunt. They are thrilled about the search. They enjoy watching the gazelles trot before they suddenly take off. Because true lions enjoy hunting. Both the process and the reward are beloved by them. Some of you don't like the process. You just want to win. You don't love the procedure. The object of a true hunter is not the prey. The hunt is what a true hunter wants to do. That is what they are driven by. They hunt to live. They live for the entire process, not just capturing it. True hunters follow the gazelle instead of the passage of time. True hunters keep hunting until they find a gazelle and don't give up until they do. You then receive another, and yet another. You'll need to lion me out if you're going to follow through on your promises to act and be a certain way. You will fail because you are a gazelle. You're going to have an average experience because you're a gazelle. I need you in the lion mode. You, my pupil. You're a business person. I need you to be fierce. You're attempting to slim down in lion mode. In gazelle mode, nothing substantial can be done. Nothing. In gazelle mode, nothing noteworthy occurs. Run mode, give up mode, quit mode, afraid mode, and fearful mode all result in nothing happening. Everything takes place as if I'm on the way to fetch you. And before we continue, I'll be giving you time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. What does lion mentality entail? 1. Courage. A crucial quality of the lion is bravery. The struggle is never over until it's over. Thus the lion will never give up and die, even if it's encircled by 10 hyenas. Perhaps you're just buried with bills instead of being surrounded by hyenas. Or perhaps you need to speak up for something with which no one else in your vicinity agrees. Do not quit. Do not concede. Go after what you really want in your life without fear. If you've been trying for years and nothing has yet succeeded, or if you're sick of working for your objectives but getting nowhere, don't give up. You must continue to struggle. 2. Certainty. We know it's a lion. The lion never questions his actions. When the lion enters, it does so 100% of the time. The lion doesn't do anything half-heartedly. How amazing would your life be if you had the lion's confidence? What would happen if you simply began to believe in yourself and your own abilities? How far could unbreakable self-belief take you? If you had no doubts about anything, who could you become? If you had the same ruthless confidence as a lion seeking its prey and just went after all you wanted in life, you cannot depend on other people to help you get the outcomes you desire in life. You are the only one in control of your outcomes. Accept accountability, stake your claim, make a move. Only you understand what is best for you in your life and which path to take at any given time. Those choices must be made with confidence. 3. Freedom. The lion enjoys freedom because it demands it. Because he fights for freedom, the lion has freedom. His entire nature dictates that he will sacrifice his life to preserve that freedom. Perhaps the most priceless resource on earth is freedom, which you can only fully appreciate if you've ever been deprived of it. You need to struggle for freedom in your own life, both your own and others. The ability to freely express oneself, the liberty to choose your own identity, living freely and on your own terms. Freedom entails equality for all, the ability to be who you must while allowing others to be who they will be. There is nothing more valuable. Defend your freedom. 4. Protective. Everything of worth is protected by the lion. The group, dinner. If you threaten the lion with something important, you had better be prepared to fight. What do you need to safeguard? What are you willing to battle in your life? Not physically, but mentally, emotionally. What are you prepared to give up your time for? What or who motivates you? What do you hope to achieve? What or who gives meaning to your life? Fighting for that is worth it. 5. Competence. Even though lions are reported to sleep for about 20 hours per day, they never get hungry. They rise and complete a task. Their downtime is earned. They have to earn success. They gain their liberation. Competence is rewarded handsomely. In life, if you are able to add more value to people in a shorter amount of time than anyone else, you will be rewarded. And you will be rewarded well and frequently. The quality of your work is more important than the amount of time you spent on it. The amount of value you have produced is what matters, not how many hours you have put in. Transform yourself into a capable machine. With laser focus, ruthless determination, and a burning desire to do everything to the best of your ability. Work on the things that matter in your life. That helps you feel proud and respectful of yourself. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in my next video.